So far we talked about the poverty in India. We talked about different dimensions of it. We talked about the causes of poverty, uh, the reasons that why it is sustaining, and what government should do and what has been done so far. ठीक है. And other than this, there is something more in your syllabus that is called as developmental issues. Okay, so we'll be talking about the developmental issues which exist in case of our country. But before that, we need to ask this question: what is development? Usually, what happens in case of your social issues syllabus, when somebody sees the syllabus, it seems very generic. Like there are things like secularism, development, economic growth, and all those kind of things, poverty. So usually we do not tend to take it very seriously. We feel like that this is something that we can easily do, but that's a problem actually. Okay, so we need to take every single term seriously and see the merit of it and see the nuances attached to it. Okay, so usually growth versus development. Can you sense any difference between the two? Growth versus development. Of course, there's a difference between the two. Growth is simply growth. It is arithmetic or exponential increase in something simply. Okay, but development has certain characteristics. See, it is a desired change. Okay, at the same time it is a desired change. Okay, that is one thing. Then it is value laden. Okay, it is not neutral. Growth can be positive, growth can be negative also. There could be growth in some bad thing, some evil, some wrong practice which is going on in the society. But with respect to development, we see that it's a desired change, what we intend to achieve. Then it is not neutral. It is rather there is value associated with it. Okay, and that is your development. And development is not just something that has to do with the economic growth only. The development is not just economic development. Development is a large scale concept. Okay, it has many dimensions. I'll tell you how. It has so many dimensions: economic, social, political, तो ये सारे different aspects है development की. You cannot expect that if there is economic development or economic growth, then you can equate that to the development. No, there has to be an aspect of social development, political development too, environmental development and cultural development. So it's a very holistic and comprehensive term. ठीक है, तो सबको मिला के एक जो होलिस्टिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट है वो हमारे पास आ जाता है. इमेजिन वुमन इन द सोसाइटी. ओके, तो in case suppose they get enough of income to sustain themselves, so they would be perhaps economically independent. But अगर वो socially developed नहीं है, like they are continuously being subordinated in the society, it would not be a proper development of women. Same that if they do not have the political agency to contest votes or to cast votes or to contest elections, again they would not be politically independent. That is again problematic for that matter.